Good morning, students. Welcome to Hashtag Maths Adda. My name is Master Rakesh. There are a number of questions we are about to learn today. Number pattern. There are interesting patterns. One which is known as like this. Suppose that there are continuous number 1 and 2. So if I'll square it, 1 square plus 2 square plus again 2 square equal to what? Okay, so these are the patterns we will learn. How to learn? We will understand the patterns. Okay, so 1 square plus 2 square plus 1 so it becomes 3 square. It becomes 3 square. We'll prove it. This is the left hand side, LHS. This is the right hand side, RHS. Right hand side become 3 square is 9 equal to sign as it is we have copied. 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, again 2 square is 4, 4 4 8, 8 plus 1 9, so 9 equal to 9. So this is getting proved, hence LHS is equal to RHS. So this pattern is very important. We'll take more example. I'll put, suppose that I'll put 2 square plus 3 square, 2 3 ja 6, so 6 ka square, or 6 further what comes ahead of 6? 7, so 7 square, 6 become 6 square, 7 square. So this is the pattern. A square plus b square plus ab square equal to c square. Okay, so it becomes the pattern. So this is the pattern like this: a square plus b square plus a into b ka square equal to ab plus 1 ka square. This is the pattern. So you don't need to remember this formula. Okay, we'll put the example. Suppose that we'll verify again. 2 ka square is 4, 3 ka square is 9, 6 square is 36, 36 9 45, 4 49, 49, and 7 ka square also 49. So this is getting proved. So hence LHS is equal to RHS. We'll put some more example here, more beautiful example here. So if I'll put you 3 square plus 4 square, what should come here? Equal to 13 square. If it is the fill in the blanks, this is the question. It is if it is fill in the blanks, what will you fill it here? So you will fill it 3 4 ja 12, 12 ka square, it will become 12 ka square. Suppose that if I'll tell you 5 square plus something plus 30 square equal to 31 square, what will come here? You will put 6 square, 5 6 30, 5 square plus 6 square plus 30 square equal to 31 square. This is interesting pattern. Okay, so you can do this is for the continuous number. Okay, suppose that 7 square plus 8 square. Okay, 7 8 7 8 ja 56, 56 ka square equal to 57 ka square, like this. This is the pattern. This is the interesting pattern in mathematics. So you must remember this pattern. And apart from this, we'll put some another pattern. There is one more pattern which is I'll go through with the second pattern. Pattern is like this. If suppose that I'll tell you two odd numbers, है ना, इस odd numbers multiplication pattern, odd number multiplication pattern. Suppose that 11 is one odd number. Okay, so and the further odd number is 13. What are the odd numbers? 1 3 5 7 9 11 13, which doesn't come in the table of 2. Okay, which is not getting divided by 2. They are odd number, or you can say the number which ends with the digit 1 3 5 7 9. So these are the odd numbers. So I'm taking one example. I picked up 11 and 13. They are two odd numbers. So if 11 and 13 are the odd numbers, if you multiply 11 into 13, what does it becomes? 143. Okay, you multiply it, you will get this one. Okay, So 143. So I can write it 144 minus 1. I can write it 12 square minus 1. You don't need to do like this only. Okay. So I mean to say any continuous odd, any consecutive odd number, if you are multiplying, it becomes the middle numbers ka square. So 11 and 13, what comes under between 11 13? 12. So it becomes always 12 ka square minus 1. Okay, any odd number you take 3 and 5. Okay, so if you multiply 3 into 5, what does it become? 3 5s are 15. Okay, so what does it come? What comes in between 3 and 5? 4. Okay, you can write it 4 chi square minus 1. You can write it 4 chi square minus 1. 4 chi square, what does it comes? 16. 16 minus 1, what does it comes? 15. So any two odd number, if you are multiplying, it comes the middle 1 chi square. Any consecutive odd number. Okay, 7 9. If you multiply 7 9, what does it come? 63. So 7 9, in between 7 and 9, what comes? 8. So you can write 8 square minus 1. Okay, so the pattern is like this. The pattern is like this. If we write the pattern, okay, if we write the pattern 3 into 5, 4 का square minus 1. Okay, 5 into 7, 5 और 7 के बीच में क्या आता है? 6. 6 का square minus 1. Okay, 7 into 9, so it becomes 8 square minus 1. Okay, 9 into 11, it becomes 10 square minus 1. Okay, 11 into 13, it becomes 12 square minus 1. So this is the pattern. So you learn the pattern. These are the interesting pattern. You must remember, do like, subscribe and share the channel. Thank you very much for watching our channel. Thank you.